Have you heard of the Google Chrome Incognito window? Maybe you wondered if it's a spy thing or a hacker thing because it sounds kind of weird. Well, actually, it helps protect you against some of those things. I'll teach you all about the Google Chrome Incognito window today on Tuesday Tech Training. Hello, and welcome to Tuesday Tech Training. My name is Jennifer Stewart. I'm the owner of Gateway Productivity, and I'm a tech and productivity trainer. Today, I want to teach you all about the Google Chrome Incognito window. With a word like incognito, it sounds creepy and weird, and it's not a word that a lot of people use. And so, first, let's talk about what exactly the incognito window is. It is a separate instance of Google Chrome. So, you have your regular window, and then you can have an incognito window separately. And in this incognito window, Google Chrome is not tracking anything. So a lot of websites that you go to, they are tracking what's called cookies. This is so that they know the last time you were there, or maybe they remember a password for you, or something like that. They remember your preferences if it's shopping sometimes. It can be any number of things, but most websites are in some way tracking you with these cookies. And oftentimes that can be very helpful. It sounds scary, but it can be very helpful because it saves you time, it's more convenient, and it's kind of the way that things are going now. And most websites will pop something up to let you know that they're tracking you with cookies. But if you have a time where you need it not to be tracking you, you need your web browser to not know who you are, that's when you would use the incognito window. It can be hard to think about why you might want to use it, so let me give you a few examples. The way that I use the incognito window almost every day is when I'm making updates to, say, my website. And I am in the admin screen and I have my Google Chrome window that's tracking me like normal, and I'm making my changes to the website. I can save that and keep myself logged in there. Then I can open an incognito window where I'm not signed in as the admin for my website, and I can go to the website just like you would see it. And that will let me see exactly what the public is seeing in my website, and I can see if I want to make any changes to what I've just done. Another great use of the incognito window is if you'd like to go shopping and not be tracked. That is a very valid reason for using the incognito window. You can go to any website. You can even still log into the website, but it won't remember you, it won't track anything. And so many people may prefer to stay in the incognito window most of the time. Are you learning something new from this video and you want to see more? If so, go ahead and subscribe. You can click the button below the video, and once you do that, a bell icon will appear. If you click on that, you'll get notifications each time a new video is posted. Now that you know a couple reasons why you might use the Google Chrome Incognito window, let's look at how to use it. In order to start an incognito window in Google Chrome, first you need to have Google Chrome open. So that's what you're seeing here is my Google Chrome. And then we'll go up to the right-hand corner where it has the three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on that. And then here you can see New Incognito Window. We'll click on that. You can see it opens a browser, a Google Chrome browser that looks just like the other one, but it's dark. And let me move my picture here. And now you can see here's where it tells you that you're incognito. You also have a couple other indications. In the upper left, you can see the little guy with the glasses that's on your tab. You can also see up in the right-hand corner that it says incognito instead of your name or your initials or your picture or whatever used to be there. So let's talk a little bit about what they say here. This is the information about what an incognito window does. You can see here, it won't save any of the following: your browser history, the cookies I've been talking about, information entered in forms. It won't remember any of those things. And the things that might still be visible are the websites you visit, of course, your employer or school, depending on what kind of computer you're working on, your internet service provider, things like that. An important piece here is this last one that says block third-party cookies. And I'll go ahead and read it to you. When on Sites can't use cookies that track you across the web. And you can see above it says we won't save the cookies and site data. That doesn't mean that we're going to completely block them. And if you have this turned on, it's going to completely block them. And so it says features on some sites may break. So if you go to a shopping website and it normally knows where you are, then it won't anymore. Things like that. So just remember, it may have some inconveniences, but it does have some safety that goes with it as well. So you can choose to have that turned on or off. Regardless, it won't track the cookies. If you decide to have it turned off, then it will still put cookies on the machine, but it won't keep them there. It'll do it just while you're here, and then they will not save. Now that you know all about it, you can go try the incognito window. And if you still feel like you need some help with this or any other tech challenges, you can always schedule a tech stress breakthrough call on my website. And the link is below in the video description, or you can just go to gatewayproductivity.com and click on Let's Talk. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.